Alright, let's try Runens, the newest running app available for free on the App Store, and it's gorgeous. As you see, running is social is our mantra. We want to make running less solitary. And that's why we're building Runens, and we are building Runens with your help. We are taking your feedback into consideration very seriously. As a runner, you might have an objective. Here is the screen, and you only do it once, where you select your goal. It might be you want to run your first 5K, 10K, half marathon, marathon, an ultra marathon, or if you don't want to commit to a distance right now, just pick freestyle. This pulsing color means a lot. It means that you tell other people that your goal, your objective as a runner, it is, in this case, freestyle. So it's very important that you pick the right objective, because you're going to be compared with other people with the same objective. So let's pick freestyle. This is Runens' main screen, and you can do nearly anything that app offers from here. So this is the screen you're going to see every time you go outside for a run, and it has features not only for you to define your goal, but also for you to get motivation. So before we go for a run, let's look around us. What's going on around us right now? So this icon here, if you tap on it, it shows the map, and it shows what's going on around me right now. So I see people running, and they are there outside as I speak. Each dot representing a person, and the color of the dot is representing their objectives. This red guy here is a 10K guy. Here you can see there are 10 people running around me right now, and 200 in the world. I don't know exactly where, but they are there. You can also check the weather conditions, not only temperature and how the weather is, but also the wind and humidity, very important factors if you're running outdoors. This is your motivation center. We are going to evolve this to make sure we provide you motivation to go and hit the ground running. We're talking about running outdoors only. Runens only works with GPS. It doesn't work on the treadmill. We want to incentivize you to go outside and run. That's why we're building something that uses GPS, so that we can share location with other people, and to incentivize people to get outside and really hit the ground running. So here, let's get back. I'm motivated. I want to go outside and run. This icon here will show the GPS signal strength, and as soon as I get outdoors, it will change from red to yellow or green. If it's green, I'm good to go, but it also works on yellow. So what can I do here? What can I tell the app that I want to do? You basically can tell that you are going to run for time. For instance, I want to run for 1 hour, and that's the only goal that I have. Or maybe I want to run for 2 miles. Or I want to do a 5K in 30 minutes. This is the way I can define pace. I'm defining a pace that I want to pursue. There's also an ability here to run for a specific pace, and the visualization, if you choose this option, will be different. This is not available right now, but it will be very soon. And here is challenges. If I tap there, I'll be able to join challenges, social challenges. It's not available yet. We are developing it. I'm sure that you'll love it. It's really interesting. So let's say I want to run a 5K, which is 3.1 miles. And it's not an accident that is one complete turn of the knob. And I want to do it in 30 minutes. The app automatically calculates the pace as I'm changing. We believe this is pretty cool. So right now I'm all set. I just need to go outside and hit the road running. Of course, I cannot do this right now. So we put a simulator. The app will behave as if I was running. So in the next screen, we'll see what you are going to see when you're running with the app. All right, let's do it. So big numbers, your mileage, your time, and your average pace since the beginning of the run. The white band shows the computer position because the computer is running at exact pace of 940 minutes per mile, and you are behind it. We are running, trying to catch up. This is the completion band. So when I hit here, it will be 25%.
A quarter of your goal completed. You are behind.
And it says that I'm behind, but not for long. I'm chasing the computer. Let's see what's going on. I'm heading downtown. I see people running. I can check the weather if I want, but I can see my course on the map. Let's get back there. Almost halfway.
You're halfway of your goal. You are behind.
Not for long. As soon as I catch it, it changes color.
You're now ahead.
I'm now ahead, and I can sprint so that I win this run from the computer.
3/4 of your goal completed. You are ahead.
Now, once again, I can check the map. I'm doing a loop. Let's get back.
Keep running.
And then there you go.
Congratulations. 100% completed.
So we finished our run. We go to the summary. I'll stop it here. I can accept or reject this run. I will accept it. And then I get to the results of my run. Here, you should type a nickname. I'll use the one we used for the launch at New York Tech Meetup. This is very important because the nickname is unique. So as soon as you go and use runens and go for your first run, you will be able to secure your nickname. Alright, so I have a summary of my run, the stats, the points that I earned with it. Those points will be used later. Because I ran a milestone of 5K, I got a medal, and medals give me extra points. I can send all data to my email. Data is yours to keep. We don't think we should keep the data from you, so you do whatever you want with it. You can import in other software. You can store it. It's yours. And also you can post the results on Facebook and Twitter if you want. And that's it. You have all the results from your run at your fingertips. Let's see what else runners can offer. If you tap this icon here, you have access to all the extra features. Let's start with profile. So basically here you have your simple information just for us to keep your results accurate. You can also change your objective. I'm not going to do that right now. What we want to, you can change your height here. Put my height or my gender. And what is important here is the score. Score is calculated with all the points that you accumulate with your runs. For the first 30 days, it's cumulative. You're not going to lose them, but after 30 days, if you stop running, you start to lose them. So we are basically not only considering your performance as a runner, but also your level of engagement. And you're going to be compared to people with the same objective and that are around you. This is very good for you to gauge how well you're doing having that objective in mind. Besides that, you have all your stats. For instance, your total mileage and your most recent average pace that can be compared to other people as well. Your total time and stuff. Your personal records. Every time you beat a record, you're given extra points. Let's get back. Medals. So that's the 5K we got. There are many others. As you see, the 10K is locked. It's going to be unlocked as soon as I run a 10K. But there are many here that are hidden. In order for you to get them, you really need to run in certain special conditions. We hope you'll be very excited with that. Leaderboard. So this is New York's leaderboard for freestylers. I'm here. There are more people doing better than me, but as soon as I run more, I can go up and I can compare how well I'm doing with people that are actually running in New York. Let's get back and see the hood clash. Because people are running inside their hoods, they are contributing to the score of the hoods themselves. So basically what we do here, we compare your hood with other hoods. For instance, we have here, it's an example, New York in front of São Paulo. They are competing. They're very close to each other. If the runners in São Paulo are engaging more and more, São Paulo will beat New York. And here, you can have access to all of your runs. And here, it's a surprise, it's coming in the next version.